Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us in Wings India 2026. I would like to ask you that what does Elite Simulation Solutions are showcasing here at Wings India 2026?
It's Aviacom and Elite together. Aviacom is a authorized representative for Elite since 2008, and we are showcasing our flight simulator here at Wings India. Basically, flight simulators is a key, I would say, part of aviation training. Otherwise, you won't be able to train your pilots as per TGC's regulations. Rather, I would just like to lime out also that GDCA certifications and regulations require bit of clarity towards fixed wing regulation, because otherwise what we hear keep on like the air accidents, training improvement will not be there. So there is a bit of clarity required from DGCA side too. So that's what, and our flight simulators are very robust and are very useful for the critical flying, for the emergencies, for all weather conditions. We supply from lower level until FTDs for all aircrafts, trainer aircrafts, airliners, jets, and so on.
Anything specific technology you have in your flight simulators which is easy for student trainers to fly?
See, it has everything since it is very much similar to aircraft. So they will have hands-on experience. Once they'll sit on actual cockpit, they will not feel that as if something new has come up. They know that yes, this is what we have been flying on and been practicing upon, and that's what we are going to fly on the aircraft. So
What kind of simulators, if you specify and tell that you have provided to defense and navy sector of India?
oh, very recently we have supplied to Indian Navy for their Pilatus aircraft simulator. Those were 7 systems altogether. Beautiful, robust machines for their instructors, for their cadets to fly. This was Make in India scheme, so the Make in India program that we delivered with the foreign OEM, which is first time in India, and it's a great thing we have come up with for the defense.
That's really great, ma'am. Can you please also tell, like, looking forward, you're looking for any collaborations or partnerships in
We
it?
are open for collaboration and partnerships where we have support to more strengthen our Make in India presence, where we can come up with maybe localized airport sceneries or maybe more local parts and technologies in India.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your insights.
Thank
You are watching Aviation Today.